Have you ever been in a hurry and just pushed the button on a site and it all freezes? You don't know whether it's crashed or it's working really slowly. What if that was your site and that user is a precious provider of advice to your newly started Saas? Can you afford to lose attention of any users? So in FastHTML, is there no graphical way to soothe the nerves of stressed out users? Let's check out what PicoCSS is offering out of the box. Here we have a spinner indicating a long-running task. But to show it, it really looks like we need to put a long attribute in a web element and also change it when we're waiting for a response. And of course, FastHTML has a function to get this effect. It's called PicoBusy. So where do I put it, this PicoBusy function call? Typically, it goes in an element affected by a long wait, like this button, after the name and before the keywords or named attributes of a function, or like this get button. So, include a call to PicoBusy in your HTML-based buttons to indicate long-running tasks. Want some regular inspiration for your FastHTML projects? Do subscribe for my updates. Now, can we put PicoBusy in any web element? I've only tested a few of them, but the first one that comes to my mind is the normal form with a submit button. It doesn't work. My guess for this is that we need to trigger HTMX to get this magic to happen, and a normal form works without the HTMX library. So, don't use PicoBusy on a normal form submit button. At least, I can't make them work right now. Let's hope that FastHTML improves on this sometime and get it working going forward. So, how do I keep my users' interest with minimal effort going forward with FastHTML? Only long-running tasks need some indication. So, use HTMX-based buttons for long-running tasks to be able to show a spinner with the PicoBusy call. This will calm your users about your intentions to serve them eventually. Want more FastHTML inspiration? Then check out the rest of the videos in this playlist. And do tune in for my next adventure in FastHTML land. And until the next one, happy coding!